What's up, y'all? Good morning. So today is day 4 of our remodel of the building. So today, I think our main objective is getting paint on the walls.
Yes.
So we'll be doing a lot of painting today. Her dad will still be working on the wall that we're putting in the warehouse to split the warehouse. That way we can split our inventory from where actually foot traffic will be coming in. So we don't really want, people around our inventory. So that's what we're doing today. It is 7. What time is it?
About to be 8, like 7:45.
Yeah, it's 7:45 a.m. We got up at 6:30. So we got in the bed last night at probably about 8 or 9.
Probably to 9.
Yeah. So because we came home. Oh no, actually we did orders this morning. So we started off with orders this morning, and so we headed out. Her dad's meeting us there. We're probably gonna grab a quick coffee.
Wait, we're grabbing coffee?
Yeah, we might grab a quick coffee. So yeah,
we're coffee
boys and girls.
Yeah.
So that's what we have planned for today. So we will see y'all at the building.
So once we made it to the building, as you can see, there's still all of that stuff that we ended up scraping from the floor the day before. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up a little bit. And my crazy self was in there messing with the alarm. So then for a while, the alarm was going off so loud. So we're trying to figure out the code. But then this is actually gonna be the room that's gonna be for my nails and stuff. And so I am going to be painting the walls, of course, and doing the floor. And then that side wall to the left, and then the one, which you can't see it, but will be close to the door. That one needs to get sheetrock done on it or whatever. And then my dad kept working on the wall. We tore this desk down, which literally, y'all, it had so many huge screws and nails, so it took us a while to get it off the wall. We ended up having to just rip it off, and it was so heavy because it used to be old gym floor. And then we went ahead and started measuring all of the rooms. That way we know how many square feet each room is, so when we start to lease them out. And then I went through with the vacuum and just started vacuuming all of the floors, and then also all of the spider webs that were everywhere before we started painting. That way we wouldn't get any dirt on the walls and stuff. And then we went ahead and put our gear on to start painting, which, y'all, when I say these little things didn't do anything, I really wanted to get me some actual coveralls, but all of the stores literally only had the super big ones, 3XL, 4XL, and it wasn't gonna fit. So my dad went ahead and mixed up the paint for us. He went back to working on the wall, and then we started the painting. So I went through and started doing all of the edges. I don't know what you would call it, edging. I was edging, I guess. So just painting closer to the baseboard, closer to the wall, the corners and stuff. And then Marco went in and did the roller, and that way we're able to just get everything done a lot faster. So the color that we're doing is just a white, and it actually has a hint of gray to it, but my dad got a lot more work done on the wall. He literally only has a little spot left. Okay, y'all, so it is, what time is it?
6:17.
6:17. We've been here since about 8:30. We got a lot done. Do you feel like we got a lot done?
Yeah, for sure. We got 3 complete rooms painted.
Oh, yeah.
This whole hallway right here where the kitchen will be is painted. This right here is painted, and we started to trim on all of this.
It's white on white, but the old white is a little bit more yellowish. This new white that we're doing it's a white, but it's like it has a slight, yeah, it's like a slight tint of gray. And then we're doing all black trim, all black doors. I'm going to paint all of the light fixtures. I'm gonna take those down and paint them gold. And then my dad was like, why don't I do the inside of them black and then the trim gold? And then the ceiling, we're gonna leave it how it is. except for we're painting those and that black. And then the ceiling in the lobby is gonna be completely black. Everything. This is gonna be black. Like literally everything is gonna be black. I think this wall is gonna be black as well. But so far we got this room painted. Well, the
We're
walls.
still gonna go over it with another
Yeah,
coat.
so we still have to do one more coat, and then the trim, of course. But other than that, it'll just be doors and trims. But most likely, we're gonna be paying somebody to do it and come help. Because, y'all, this is a lot. Like, we knew it was gonna be a lot, but like, you know, we still got other stuff that we need to take care of as well. You got paint all on your face. Yeah, like contracts for the, you know, suites and stuff. And as far as the bathrooms, I think I was gonna just go ahead and do white and black trim as well, but I think I just want to do all black bathrooms. So the women's and the men bathroom, I think is gonna be just all black, because I think it's a little bit too much white for me right now. But I think that's the plan. But we're gonna call it a night. We also got most of the wall frame up, huh?
We're gonna go.
Yeah.
Oh, your daddy still put his jacket
Yeah.
on.
Most of the frame up. Oh, you ready to go?
Yeah.
So he only got that little piece left, and then sheetrock and paint. Ahí vamos.